This patient has multiple lipoma on both arms. You can see these stitch marks on the sides and the big scar in the center. One lipoma was removed like this. Okay. But we will be removing all this lipoma with a very small hole, no stitch marks like this, and we expect no scarring or minimal scarring. Both arms. We will be doing all of them in single sitting. ठीक है, यही है, पेट पे तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं सर,
बस ये दोनों हाथों पे.
दोनों हाथ में।
ठीक. बैक में?
बैक में भी नहीं है।
Perfect. So we will be removing from both arms only. Many a times these patients have in back, on shoulder, in abdomen, but his primarily he is having the issue is only in the arms. Okay. This one was the previous one, which
Yes.
And just remove one of the band-aids. You can see what scar and what is there. Yes, this was much bigger than what was removed from the previous.
Yeah. From past 7 to 8 years, I'm suffering from multiple lipomas. So I have done, number of treatments like homeopathy, allopathy. Before that, I've also started Baba Ramdev's, medicines. So it was around 4 to 5 years that I was using homeopathy, but I was there was not that much effect on that. So when I comes to know, I saw a video on YouTube. So I found that Mr. Dr. Ashish Banor, he was treating a lipoma of a person, and with the minimal scars. Maybe it would not be visible or visible. I'm not sure about it, but as confirmed by doctor, it would be invisible within 3 months. So I just met with him, and he suggested me to remove those lipomas.
How many you had?
Pardon?
How many lipomas you had?
So there were around 37 lipoma
Both arms.
on both arms. So it was magical. Within 3 hours, the whole surgery was done, and I hardly having a pain. So it's a great thing that without any scars, if somebody's,
What was your past experience?
it was worst because बहुत सारी दवाइयाँ खानी पड़ती थी, and those stuffs जैसे एलोवेरा, आंवला, तो वो खाना अपने आप में बहुत बड़े मुश्किल की बात है.
What about the previous surgeries you had got?
हाँ, previous surgery में there was a lipoma. It would be around 2 to 3 centimeter, but उसका जो cut था, that was again the same, around 1 to 2 centimeter. So उसमें मेरे पास स्टिचेस भी आए थे, उसका मार्क्स भी है मेरे पास हाथ में. तो अभी जो इन्होंने करा है, जस्ट वो इट्स लाइक मतलब हल्का सा एक पॉइंट सा है जहाँ से इन्होंने निकाला है. तो अभी तक कोई
The
स्टिचेस नहीं.
lipomas this time were removed were bigger than the previous one?
Yes. Before that was only 1 to 2 centimeter. जो बिगर वन अभी निकाला था, आई बिलीव वो 4 to 5 सेंटीमीटर का होगा, उससे भी ज़्यादा हो सकता है.
And what about you did some other thing also, some liposuction something?
Sometimes likewise कुछ मेडिसिन्स थी जो बोलते हैं, जैसे ग्रीन कॉफ़ी हो गई या आपका एप्पल विनेगर साइफर हो गया, वो भी मैंने ट्राई करा. एक 9E5 नाम का प्रोडक्ट आता था, दे क्लेम्ड कि वो उनसे सही हो जाता है, बट ऑल वाज फेक, जस्ट वेस्ट ऑफ मनी. पैसा भी लगाओगे, यू विल नॉट गेट एनीथिंग. इसमें आपको ये है, लिटरली आई एम सेइंग, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग अ सिंगल पेन. हाथ मेरा बिल्कुल सही है, आई एम एबल टू मूव. देयर वाज सम लेडी who used to do liposuction somewhere. She inject some medicine into your lipoma, and she claimed that कि it would be reduced. But जब वो मैंने लगाया, उसके बाद वो और हार्ड हो गए. That made the thing worse actually. But the lady was claimed that कि उसने वो कर रखा है. She is actually a magical way. From the past 5 years, I haven't wear a half t-shirt. Now I can wear.
And you feel your arms a little lighter than previous?
Yes, I feel more comfortable now.